Good morning, everybody. This is Marco Michael. Unfortunately, I was not able to make any videos yesterday, and unfortunately, I can only make this one video right now. I'm sure I'll be able to make videos close to market close, but this is going to be it for today, for now at least. Now, I just wanted to cover basically what happened yesterday. Well, we got a lot to cover. We got a lot to do right now, so let's take it one step at a time. Um, we're looking at the futures. Futures look like they popped off, but it looks like we got that we got lower lows possibly. Well, we had this decline and now we had a pop off. Now, this decline wasn't really as high as it needed to be. This could be a lingering play here. It is lingering a lot here. Check out that CCI. It's just slowly going down. This is a 10-minute, hour, and a 30-minute. This hour chart on the S&P futures, you know, looks like it's going down, but it also looks like it's curling up. We got this RSI kind of curling up. We need to look at this on sooner minute. Interesting, because look here. We got higher lows, right? That's pretty bullish. Although that today we didn't just get higher lows. Today, Thursday, look, we dropped off and then we dropped off again. But now we popped off higher. So today's going to be an interesting day. Now I wanted to talk about yesterday, so let's pull up the comp, the S&P, and the Dow Jones. Let's just put them up on hour charts. Alright guys, so everyone can see these ascending triangles here. That might be a descending because it's going down. But pretty much we've broken out above it, and I thought we were gonna fail, but I thought we were gonna fail here today. No. I thought this was it. I thought this was our break, but the futures were saved. It kept going up, and I couldn't even commentary. Like I couldn't even watch yesterday. I did happen to put up this new channel here, and which it looks like it's breaking. It's breaking this new channel, so that's very interesting. Something to think about. Perhaps, maybe perhaps we are in for a good solid bear market drop here. But I don't know. We've broken out and now we're breaking down. But these futures seem like they're breaking out again. So they want to remain in this trend line. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So, I don't know, boys. To me, it looks like they all kind of broke out of this wedge. Except for Dow and S&P do not look good. They're in this wedge. They can't even break it. This is bad, boys. This is bad. I don't know. It looks like they're done. It looks like they're done selling. And the selling didn't even begin. Look at the CCI and look at these red candles. These don't look good. I think this is indications that we are kind of nearing the end of this daily MACD negative histo that we've been experiencing for like the over a month. Now look here. You can see we are due for a come up, and we're probably gonna end up breaking this. Let's put them on 30 minutes so we could compare. Yeah, see, it's how ridiculous. Now, if you're a bear, well, look at this weakening strength. You know, I thought yesterday we were really gonna fail, but we kept above it. But you know, anything could happen at this point. Let's go ahead. Let's check like 5 minutes. You know what? Let's go back to the futures. Let's go back to the future, guys. Come back to the future with me. Well, it looks like more negative, so this could start to turn into something. It's staying up here, though. That's the thing. Like, look at this 5 minute. We've gotten higher lows, and it wants to curl up. So it looks like we're going to establish roots here. I don't know. We most likely got more room to go right now on the futures. And with that being said, they're probably going to run up. Because, whoops. Because look here, this ascending triangle, it finally got to a point where this stock, the market can't run in it. And it's been trying to break above it. It's been trading above it, like slightly above it. It's telling me that the strength is very high, but but this is a battle, guys. This isn't just nilly-willy here. This is fucking serious. I think perhaps we don't fail. Perhaps we keep running up. I'm only saying this because, you know, on the daily we've been getting positive candles. And look, we're already positive. So I am gonna say that we are set to run for the bullish MACD. You know, we're set to go up. But how much are we gonna go up, guys? Okay, let's look at the comp then. The S&P and Dow Jones on daily charts. Let's go ahead. Oof, on a daily chart, this looks awful. On a daily chart, this looks awful. On a daily chart, this looks, again, awful. We broke this channel, but we're in another channel. This is fucked up. You know, we're probably gonna have to reset the indicators. CCI is probably gonna go up a little more, but then come down a little bit more, and then, you know, we'll endure at least 1 week of gains. All right, guys, 1 week of gains. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, let's try and do some learning. Let's go on FinViz and see what economic data came out. I wish I could read you those Fed minutes, but okay. Today's Thursday. Okay. So what came out yesterday? Let's see. We got, yep, I remember covering this, guys. The mortgage applications. We got more people getting mortgage applications, but less people getting mortgages. It means less home buying. Yep, the CPI, we got an increase in the, well, actually we got core remained, and that was because of gasoline. High expensive gasoline and energy costs have gone down, but everything else continued to rise. So let's look at here. Crude inventories were up. We got a big supply, but this war in the Middle East is freaking everyone out. Treasury budget. We are, wow. They cut 208 billion, and compared to the 176 billion prior. Now, you know, it would be nice to read you guys the, like, maybe highlights from the minutes. That would be cool. At least I would think. So let's get this baloney out of here. Alright, guys. This is a tough call. I'm going against my gut instinct, and I'm saying that we're gonna have we're breaking out of the channel because we're just so above we're beyond the channel for the Nasdaq, even though the candles don't look too hot. You know, we're above it, so there's no other explanation, and there's no other, you know, where you come to a conclusion. Okay, weekly jobless claims preview is it's expected to fall to 230,000 from a higher than expected 242,000 in the prior week. So it looks like we're probably going to get disappointed again and get under 230,000 jobless claims. I want to see what the Fed said. Oh, you know what? I kind of read it. I remember reading it. I'll just kind of give you what I remember. The Fed, some members were kind of dovish. You know, they were worried about overheating economy. and some weren't. It really, it kind of looked like that they still kind of they were going to do that fourth rate hike. But it's stupid because the economy can't handle it, you know, and that they were saying that, they might need to raise rates to fight the inflation. That's, I think, um, that's that's setting up for a bad pace. If they're going to raise rates to try and fight the inflation, well, you're just, this economy needs the cheap money to survive. And when you take that cheap money away, you're left with nothing, because that's how you. This is the style of Keynesianism and fractional reserve lending that enable society to live on means that are borrowed, and it's absolutely ridiculous. You should be able to borrow, yeah, but you should be able to borrow something that someone's actually saved, not just made out of thin air. Absolutely ridiculous. It's a scam. And that's why we have these big catastrophes, and we every 8 years or so that things get a lot worse. The mega corporations get bigger, the smaller corporations die out. It's just a fact. What are we looking at? Fuck. I don't know, guys. It just doesn't fucking look good for the Bears. We're probably just going to continue this a slow move up. That's what I'm predicting, because the Bears are gonna fucking they're gonna have a fit. They're gonna have a fit. They fight. They fight these Bears. Alright, guys. I don't want to look at dailies, honestly. Let's look at like a 1 minute. Well, it's just kind of. I really can't see what's going on. We need a 3 minute. Yeah, so this kind of tells it a little better. We want to get in there. We want to see what's going on. You know, it looked like around here that it was gonna kind of go up again. It looked like it did. Now we're coming back down, but looks like we're weaker on negative MACD, and we're making again higher lows. So unless we get some bad candles right now, then we're set to go up even higher. We did get lower highs. And again, I'm not a perma bear nor a like blind bull. You know. Okay, let's check it out. Look at how choppy this is, guys. I just want to pull up a bigger chart. Maybe get a better idea of what's going on. Okay, the 30 minute says we're coming down. Let's see what a 10 minute says. Ooh, alright, here's the start of it. Good thing I look back on the futures here. What a way to wrap up this video. This is how we do it. Sorry, guys. Alright. Well, 30 minute is just starting to crack, and the 10 minute looks like we are having a reversal. Now, we're just going to have to look for support, guys. Good luck trading. I would say Uncle Mike's advice would be to follow the trend. Wait for some trends to get established, guys, and follow them. Go where those big fish are swimming. Pull up your scanners. See what stocks are moving. I unfortunately, I fucked up and I couldn't see LEDS moving. That was a nice 80%er. 80%er. Running wild. I had no idea it was going. So it sucks. You know, just gotta make sure you keep on top of them scanners. Make sure you examine. I told you HLT was moving pre-market. If you bought in and held, you could have got in at what, 76 and it went to 80. That's not bad. That's not bad. So you just gotta follow the trends, boys. And I had no internet, and it was a fucked up day, and I was leaving anyway. So, and yeah. But I haven't really said what I see this market going. I mean, I think I did a little bit. I said like I think we're gonna break out of that flag, and I think we're gonna also go higher, but I don't know how much higher. Now, of course, as soon as I'm leaving you guys, we get some positive action here. Let's just see if it can hold. This is very interesting. We're on and off with this 30-minute, and we're on and off here on a 10-minute. Looks like we could go around and do another bull move up, but wow, I think this went too fast, too soon, Junior. Even still, where is it gonna go after it goes up a little bit? I don't know. They know how to move the stocks though. But okay, we're at 21 minutes, guys. This has been a solid video. I'm really sorry about yesterday and today, and I hate not being able to get my opinion out there and commentate. A lot of it is just comment. I It's commentation on what's going on in the markets. It's not necessarily for 21 minutes me telling you what I think's gonna happen. I barely talk about what I think's gonna happen because the chances of me getting things right are not, it's not very high statistically speaking, because the market's rigged and it could do whatever it wants to do. You know, I could just tell you that we left the pennant on that comp, and it looks like we're gonna slowly go up. But I'm hoping that we break the pennant, but I don't know if that's possible for us to do that. But anyway, I gotta end the video. Shit's getting real, boys. Let's see if that 10-minute is turning down yet. Yeah, that's not a good candle. That's not a good candle. So thank you very much, guys. Good luck trading. I'm sorry I ain't all dressed up. I'm sorry I ain't making more videos, but what are you gonna do? Life gets in the way sometimes, and I won't be able to make videos once I start school again. So that's that. Well, oh, look at here. Let's see, we're getting that increased strength. All right, thank you very much, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see ya later for sure. Take care.